Good morning, everyone. This is Leonard McDonald, and welcome to Coffee Run Episode 4. I'm using my coffee run in the mornings to give you guys some business tips. So if you're interested in starting a business or you already have one started, definitely make sure you stay tuned because I'm doing this every day and I got some good nuggets for you. Today we're going to be talking about defining your success. Everyone, or at least everyone, should be making goals because goals are very important, but I'm really big on celebrations. The more you can celebrate what you're doing, the more confidence you have in it and the more comfortable you are, talking about it or just getting up the next day to do it. So what I wanted to talk about today is what your definition of success is, but for the day. Because usually when we have a goal, it's like our goal for the year or for 6 months or something that's quite a while away. So in order for you to obtain the success you're seeking, it takes a while. And then during that process, you go through some ups and downs that can discourage you. So I would say, spend some time just kind of figuring out like what is a successful day for you. So like if you're a car salesman, let's say selling a car, one car a day. Let's say that's like the norm. So it's being consistent. So your consistency of selling one car every day is a success. I guess kind of to give you a little more clarity into what I'm saying, like let's look at like when people go to the casino. So when people go to a casino, they want to win, but more times than not they lose. But if they go to the casino and they leave and they broken even, it's like a success. Like they didn't win anything, but they also didn't lose anything. So the difference between someone going to the casino and you with your business is going to be, what the amount of sales that you brought in. That's kind of the norm for you. So staying consistent, even though it's like you're not doing anything necessarily above what you normally do, you still made income. So that's what makes it better than like the casino analogy where you're just breaking even. But it's just all about making sure you have something to kind of celebrate and you still set your goals. Like your goal may be to sell, like 2. So you sell 1 car a day, you sell 2 cars for 2 cars a day. So when you do that, you've succeeded in doing something greater than you normally do, which is, better than just being consistent. But don't forget to celebrate the consistency because it also takes time, work, and effort in order to obtain that. So that's all I'm going to cover for today. See you guys tomorrow. What's that? Tomorrow's Saturday, so I'm probably going to have something a little more energetic because I really love celebrating things. So we're going to dive more into that because that'll help you a lot with your businesses. All right, you guys take it easy.